So passion twists are everywhere, right? Well, if you're like me and you have fine hair, you might have been debating whether to add more stress to your hair by adding more hair. Well, let me tell you, I installed these beautiful passion twists and my head is honestly light as a feather. So to find out more, just keep watching. So on this wash day, I shampooed with my Head & Shoulders Dry Scalp Care Shampoo and deep conditioned as usual. But then I found out I had an unexpected errand to run. So I went ahead and applied my leave-in, which is the Miel Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. I've been using that for a while, and if you've watched my channel, you know that I plan to use all products that I have until they're all gone before I go buy any new ones. So I've got quite a bit of the Miel Pomegranate and Honey leave-in left. That's what I used, and I simply put my hair into a cute bun and went about my business. Here I am taking the hair right out of the package. I purchased 4 packs of hair and I only used about 4.5, actually just shy of 4.5. The hair is so soft. You can probably even tell from the picture as my fingers glide right through it. Along with the hair, I received a crochet needle with a few little hair accessories that I may or may not use. And to help my installation process go a little faster, I separated the strands that I'd be using, put them on a hanger so I could just plug them up and go. Now, if you remember, I did have some errands to run earlier, so I put leave-in conditioner on my hair and just pulled it up in a bun. And so it's roughly 4 hours later. About 4 hours later, and my hair feels just about completely dry. Well, it's damp under the bun because it's pinned up and no air got to a lot of this. So the hair that was tucked away is still damp. Just to be safe, I think what I may do is just blow dry it a little. Alright, so my hair is dry and I wasn't aiming to get it bone straight at all. Just wanted to get all the dampness out. And you know, it may seem that I was being a little extra with the heat protectant and blow drying my hair. Well, I know my hair, it is healthy, but it's also fine and can easily break. So I'm doing what I feel is best for my hair, and I encourage you to do that too. Don't compare your hair to the next person's because we all have different hair. So, you know, do what works for you, and as long as you're doing the best you can with your hair, the best you know to do, you are winning. So, you know, as I was blow drying my hair, I was thinking about how am I going to install these passion twists. So again, since my hair is so fine, I don't want to put a lot of stress on it, and I think I will do half crochet braids in the back and maybe some individual plaits in the front. You know, I'm just doing me, and I want you to do you too. Don't compare yourself to the next person. Don't compare your hair to the next person's hair. Work with what God gave you. Be grateful for it, accept it, nourish it, and love it, and just rock it. I realized that I spent a lot of time parting my hair and plaiting my hair. And I'm from the South and we say plaits. I don't know what you say. You know, I really can appreciate those ladies that say they complete a crochet install or passion twist install within hour and a half, 2 hours, 3 hours, because I can't do it. I'm amazed that they can too. You know, I have to get my parts right. I have to condition my hair, and it's a lot of work. It is a lot of work, and I would rather take my time and do it one time than jack my hair up, it looked crazy, and I did it in an hour and a half or 2 hours. So shout out to them, because I can't, it doesn't work that way for me. So comment below if you can install crochet braids, passion twist, spring twist, goddess locks, all of those crochet hairs. Let me know if you can do yours in an hour and a half or 2 hours, because I need to know your secret. So the method I decided on was plaits in the front, which I connected together and took them down into crochet braids in the back. And I think I roughly had about 6 crochets or cornrows, not crochet braids, but cornrows in the back. And that works for me. They weren't too tight. My hair is fine, so it's not like I have a ton of hair to be grabbing on, but this seems to work. Okay, I know I only have 2 of them in, but I like them so far. And what I'm doing for the ends is putting a little mousse on there because they're frizzy, which doesn't bother me, but I don't want them to look raggedy. All right, so this is 2 packs of hair, and I am just about halfway finished with my head. Now, look carefully. I didn't pack this hair in for a few reasons. It's not my preference to have a head full of thick crochet hair or synthetic hair or whatever. That's just not my preference. And number 2, I have fine hair, so I don't want to put any extra tension or stress on my hair than necessary. So if you see, I'm going to flip my hair up. If you see gaps, that's semi-intentional. I'm not trying to have it so thick and packed in and I'm not going for that extremely full look. The look that I believe that I'll achieve is exactly what I want. So let me just show you how my hair is looking, and you will see some gaps. It's okay. Like right here. You may see lots of spaces there, and that's where my hair is the finest and the lowest density in the back. So I never, you know, I try to minimize any stress that I put back there, and that's the hair that I baby as much as possible. I use oils and greases and all kinds of potions and whatever else I think will help it. I don't see a real difference between the two techniques. So I've done most of my hair with technique number one, only pulling one side of the synthetic hair through the loop. But now I see that if I crochet, you know, put the hair in like a traditional piece of crochet hair, the result is the same as far as I can tell right now. Up my very last passion twist. Yay! So I started last night and I worked on the crochet or the braiding pattern plus the hair, and I think I worked on it for probably a total of about 3 hours. And then throughout the day today, I'm on doing other things, another 3.5, 4 hours. But I'm okay. I was able to multitask and get everything done today. And like I said, I wanted to take my time with the hair. So I'm finished. And this is the softest synthetic hair I have ever worked with. And I really like it. So I do have some things to do right now, but I'm going to play with this hair and get comfortable with it, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. So at this point, I've had my passion twists in for 3 full days, and I'm really enjoying them. Initially, I thought that I felt a tingling sensation with the hair, but I did not have to use my apple cider vinegar and water mixture like I've done with other synthetic hair. My scalp tends to get a little bit inflamed, a little itchy. That sensation completely went away, and I've had to put nothing whatsoever on this hair. The hair is, again, it's so light. I've done many crochet styles before, not with this brand of hair. And this hair separates so easy. It was soft from end to end. It's separated very easy, and I just have nothing but great things to say about it. This hair is by Eerya. It is an Amazon brand hair company, and this is color T1B27, 18 inches, but there is a variety of colors to choose from, colors and lengths, and again I have 18-inch. This color, it goes with my skin tone, and I always get like a 4 or 1B27 or 1B30 for any crochet styles or goddess locks that I have. This hair is already super affordable, but I have a discount code for you to use, so check out the description box for more details on that. I'm enjoying these passion twists, and I hope that I'll be rocking them for a couple more weeks at least. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have fine hair, I hope this video has been very helpful for you. As always, keep it naturally corporate.